If you're tired of food sticking to your pans, scrubbing burn-on messes after every meal, or replacing worn-out cookware every year, this cookware set might be exactly what you've been looking for. Was the GreenPan hard-anodized healthy ceramic nonstick 5-piece set actually worth the price, or is it just another good-looking cookware set? Let's find out. Today, we're taking a close look at the GreenPan hard-anodized healthy ceramic nonstick 5-piece cookware set with gold handles. It's designed for home cooks who want healthier nonstick cooking without sacrificing durability or style. Whether you're moving into a new home, upgrading old cookware, or simply looking for a reliable everyday set, this one definitely deserves a closer look. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the first thing you'll notice is how premium this cookware feels. The black hard anodized finish gives it a modern, professional appearance, while the gold-toned stainless steel handles add a stylish touch that stands out without looking flashy. The handles feel solid and comfortable in your hand thanks to their riveted construction, and the pans have enough weight to inspire confidence without being overly heavy. Overall, the build quality feels well above what you'd expect from many cookware sets in this price range. What makes this set especially interesting is GreenPan's ceramic non-stick coating. Instead of focusing on technical jargon, the real benefit is simple. You'll likely use less oil while cooking, and food releases much more easily. Eggs, pancakes, vegetables, and delicate fish all slide around with very little effort, making everyday cooking less frustrating. Cleanup is another major advantage because most food residue wipes away with a soft sponge, and if you've had a busy day, the dishwasher-safe design makes things even easier. In everyday use, the cookware performs consistently across a wide variety of meals. The hard anodized construction helps distribute heat evenly, reducing those annoying hot spots that can burn one side of your food while leaving another undercooked. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast, simmering soup in the saucepan, or sautéing vegetables for dinner, the cookware heats efficiently and feels predictable. It also works well in the oven up to high temperatures, giving you more flexibility when recipes require finishing a dish under the broiler or baking it directly after stovetop cooking. Another thing you'll appreciate is how comfortable this cookware is to use every day. The handles stay secure, pouring feels controlled, and the pans aren't difficult to maneuver even when they're full. There are no complicated maintenance routines either. While hand washing may help preserve any non-stick cookware over a longer period, it's nice knowing the dishwasher is an option when convenience matters. Of course, no cookware set is perfect. Ceramic non-stick coatings generally require a little more care than traditional non-stick surfaces if you want them to last their longest. Even though this coating is reinforced for extra durability and can handle metal utensils better than many ceramic competitors, using silicone or wooden utensils and avoiding excessive overheating will usually extend its lifespan. Another limitation is that this cookware isn't compatible with induction cooktops, so that's something to check before buying. Compared with other ceramic cookware in a similar price range from brands like Caraway or Blue Diamond, GreenPan strikes a nice balance between durability, healthy cooking, and overall value. Some premium competitors offer additional pieces or more color options, while budget alternatives may save you money up front, but often don't feel as solid or distribute heat as evenly. GreenPan manages to sit comfortably in the middle by offering dependable performance, attractive design, and a trusted ceramic cooking surface. So, who is this cookware really for? It's an excellent choice for families, beginner cooks, apartment owners, and anyone looking to replace aging cookware with something healthier and easier to maintain. If you cook every day and appreciate cookware that's attractive enough to leave on the stove while still delivering reliable results, this set makes a lot of sense. On the other hand, if you own an induction cooktop or need a much larger cookware collection, you may want to explore other options. Overall, the GreenPan hard anodized healthy ceramic non-stick 5-piece cookware set delivers where it matters most. It combines attractive design, dependable cooking performance, simple cleanup, and healthier ceramic non-stick technology into one practical package. It isn't perfect, but for many households, it offers excellent everyday value and should serve you well for years with proper care. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest product reviews and buying guides. If you're interested in checking the latest price or availability, you'll find the product link waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.